Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I will be showing you how to exit safety mode on Kuda Bank. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do in order to exit safety mode on Kuda Bank is simply head over and open up your Kuda Bank application. The once you're inside here, if you already have an account, simply tap on already have an account, sign in. Then once you're inside here, what you need to do is enter in your email address. Now if you're already logged in, all you gotta do is log in with your PIN, fingerprint or Face ID. Then once logged in, what you need to do now is from the home screen or the home option of the Kuda Bank, all you gotta do is just simply tap on your profile icon on the top left corner of your screen. Then once you're inside there, you find an option that says security. Simply tap on that, and once you're inside the security, all you gotta do now is select safety mode. Then once you're inside safety mode here, what you need to do is just simply tap on turn off safety mode, and then once you tap on it, simply confirm using your PIN or biometrics. Then once confirmed, your account will return to normal and transactions will work again. If you can't find it out, so what you can do is just simply head over back to your app store, and then on the search bar type in Kuda Bank, and then simply tap on the app and check to see if the app needs an update or not. So simply update the app and make sure your phone data, date and time are correct. Then simply you can also restart your phone and try again. If still doesn't work, then simply contact Kuda support via help and chat with this option in the app as well. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.